Hello and welcome to our WaveLinx CORE Operate Pages video.
In this section, we'll review how to use the Operate Page floor plan view to monitor and control lighting areas within the Core web application. After signing in, navigate to the Operate menu. This opens the interactive floor plan for the selected building and floor. The floor plan provides a visual representation of the spaces and lighting areas, making it easier to locate and operate specific rooms. Use the building, floor, and area selectors at the top of the page to narrow the view. In this example, we select Floor 2, then choose Conference 1 area. The application zooms into the selected area and highlights it on the floor plan. The status bar shows a quick summary of the selected area, including alarms, overrides, lights that are on, and lights that are off. To manually control the area, select Manual Actions. The Manual Actions panel allows you to control the selected area using either a scene or a target level. For scene control, leave Scene selected, then choose the desired scene from the drop-down list. The Scene preview displays the associated lighting levels for each load or linear group. Once the correct scene is selected, press Send to apply the command to the area. After the command is sent, the floor plan updates visually to reflect the new state of the area. In this example, the Conference 1 area changes color to indicate that the lighting state has changed. In addition to controlling and managing individual areas, you can use WaveLinx CORE Operate Page to send overrides to an entire building floor if your system is set up to do so. You can see in this example we've selected Floor 2 of the Sears Tower building. From here, you can go to Manual Actions and send your override level as you would in any other scenario. You can see all the relevant areas for that floor light up with the selected command. You can also open the Area Details panel to review live information for the selected area. This includes the active scene, high priority override status, physical occupancy state, manual overrides timer status, and total alarms. Use the floor plan navigation tools to pan, zoom in, zoom out, or return to a full floor view. This allows you to move between a detailed room level view and a broader floor level view as needed. The floor plan view provides a quick way to confirm area status, apply manual scene control, and verify live area data from a single visual interface.
I hope this video was informative and thanks for watching.